Running out of budget for quality woodworking tools? These unique picks will change everything. In today's video, we're counting down 31 coolest woodworking tools under $50 on Amazon that help you work smarter, faster, and more precisely without breaking the bank. From clever hand tools to versatile workshop essentials, these options are practical, affordable, and highly useful. Stick around till the end. You won't believe some of these powerful, budget-friendly finds. Number 1. Edge Corner Sander Tool. The Edge Corner Sander Tool becomes extremely helpful when finishing tight corners that regular sanders cannot reach properly. Uneven edges and rough corners can ruin the look of a woodworking project if not handled carefully. This compact tool is designed to access narrow areas and smooth out edges with better control. Its ergonomic grip allows steady handling while sanding intricate sections. With improved precision and ease of use, it helps refine details, create cleaner finishes, and bring a more professional look to your woodworking projects. Number 2. Contour Gauge Duplicator with Lock. The Contour Gauge Duplicator with Lock is ideal when you need to copy irregular shapes accurately for cutting or fitting materials. Guessing measurements for complex edges can lead to errors and wasted material. This tool captures the exact outline of curves and transfers it onto your workpiece. The locking mechanism ensures the shape stays intact during tracing. It's especially useful for flooring, trim work, and custom fittings, helping you achieve precise cuts and smoother installations without repeated trial and error. Number 3. Mini Hand Planer for Chamfer Edges. The mini hand planer for chamfer edges is useful when you need to smooth or bevel small wooden edges with control. Rough or sharp edges can affect both appearance and safety in finished projects. This compact planer allows you to trim and refine edges with accuracy in tight spaces. Its small size makes it easy to maneuver while maintaining consistent pressure. With each pass, it helps create clean chamfered edges, improving both the look and feel of your woodworking pieces without requiring heavy equipment. Number 4. Featherboard for Table Saw. The featherboard for table saw becomes important when you need to keep wood firmly in place while cutting. Without proper guidance, material can shift, leading to uneven cuts or safety risks. This tool applies consistent pressure against the workpiece, keeping it aligned against the fence or table. It helps maintain steady movement through the blade, improving accuracy and reducing kickback. Easy to adjust and secure, it enhances control during cutting tasks and contributes to safer, more precise woodworking results. Number 5. Cabinet Hardware Jig. The Cabinet Hardware Jig is designed to simplify the process of installing handles and knobs on cabinets. Measuring and aligning each piece manually can be time-consuming and prone to mistakes. This jig helps you position holes accurately and consistently across multiple cabinets. It features adjustable guides that align with different hardware sizes and spacing requirements. By ensuring uniform placement, it saves time and improves the overall appearance of your cabinetry, especially when working on larger projects or installations. Number 6. Router Circle Jig. The Router Circle Jig is useful when you need to cut perfect circles or arcs in wood with precision. Freehand cutting often results in uneven shapes that require correction. This jig attaches to your router and guides it along a fixed radius, allowing you to create clean circular cuts. It is adjustable to accommodate different diameters, making it versatile for various projects. With controlled movement and consistent results, it helps achieve accurate curves for tabletops, speakers, or decorative pieces. Number 7. Push Block Safety Tool. The Push Block Safety Tool is essential for maintaining control and safety when working with table saws or other cutting machines. Handling small or narrow pieces directly can increase the risk of accidents. This tool allows you to guide material through the blade while keeping your hands at a safe distance. It provides a firm grip and steady pressure, helping maintain alignment during cuts. By improving control and reducing direct contact, it enhances safety and precision in everyday woodworking tasks. Number 8. Marking knife with bevel edge. The marking knife with bevel edge is used for creating precise layout lines before cutting or assembling wood pieces. Pencil marks can sometimes be too thick or unclear for detailed work. This tool scores fine, accurate lines that guide your cuts more effectively. Its sharp beveled edge allows you to mark with control along rulers or templates. By providing clear reference lines, it helps improve cutting accuracy and ensures better alignment in joinery and detailed woodworking projects. Number 9. Setup blocks. Woodworking. Setup blocks. Woodworking tools are helpful when you need to set accurate measurements for machines like table saws or routers. Repeated adjustments using measuring tools can slow down your workflow and introduce errors. These blocks come in standard sizes, allowing you to quickly verify heights and distances. By using them as references, you can set up equipment consistently without repeated measuring. This saves time and ensures repeatable accuracy, especially during repetitive tasks or production-style work. Number 10. Laser line wood level. The laser line wood level is designed to project straight lines across surfaces, helping you align cuts, shelves, or installations with precision. Traditional levels may require manual reading and adjustment, which can be slower. This tool projects a visible line that acts as a guide for positioning materials. It is especially useful for layout work and alignment tasks. With improved visibility and accuracy, it simplifies setup processes and helps achieve straight, consistent results in woodworking projects. Number 11. Small Router Edge Guide. The Small Router Edge Guide is useful when you need to control the path of a router along the edge of a workpiece. Freehand routing can lead to uneven edges or inconsistent depth. This guide attaches to the router and follows the edge of the material, ensuring a steady and straight pass. It helps maintain alignment during trimming or shaping tasks. With better control and guidance, it improves precision and produces cleaner edges in detailed routing work. Number 12. Edge Banding Trimmer. The edge banding trimmer becomes essential when applying edge banding to plywood or panels. Excess material can remain after application, requiring careful trimming for a clean finish. This tool is designed to trim both sides of the banding evenly in one pass. It follows the edge smoothly, helping create a flush surface without damaging the board. With consistent trimming, it improves the appearance of finished edges and saves time compared to manual cutting methods. Number 13. 12-inch combination square. The 12-inch combination square is a versatile measuring tool used for marking, checking angles, and verifying alignment. Inaccurate measurements can lead to misaligned joints and poor fitting components. This tool features a ruler combined with a movable head that allows you to measure and mark both straight and angled lines. It can also be used to check squareness of edges and corners. With clear markings and reliable construction, it supports precise layout work and improves overall accuracy in woodworking. Number 14. Right Angle Clamp. The right angle clamp is useful when assembling corners that require a perfect 90-degree alignment. Holding pieces manually during glue-up can be difficult and may result in misalignment. This clamp holds two pieces securely at a right angle while you fasten or glue them together. It ensures stability and consistency during assembly. With hands-free positioning, it simplifies the process of building frames, boxes, or cabinets while maintaining accurate and tight joints. Number 15. Wood Moisture Meter. The wood moisture meter helps determine the moisture content of wood before working on it. Using wood with improper moisture levels can lead to warping, cracking, or joint failure over time. This device provides quick readings by measuring internal moisture levels. It allows you to assess whether the wood is ready for use or needs additional drying. With accurate moisture information, you can make better decisions and improve the durability and quality of your finished projects. Number 16. Digital Caliper with Fraction Display. The digital caliper with fraction display is designed for precise measurement of small dimensions in woodworking tasks. Estimating measurements can lead to inaccuracies that affect fit and alignment. This tool provides digital readings that include fractions for easier interpretation. It can measure internal, external, and depth dimensions with high accuracy. With a clear display and simple controls, it helps ensure exact measurements, making it easier to achieve tight fits and consistent results in detailed work. Number 17. Self-Centering Doweling Jig. The self-centering doweling jig is used to drill perfectly aligned holes for dowel joinery. Misaligned holes can weaken joints and affect assembly quality. This jig automatically centers itself on the workpiece, ensuring that holes are drilled in the correct position every time. It supports consistent spacing and alignment, making it easier to create strong, accurate joints. With improved precision, it simplifies the process of joining wood pieces securely and efficiently. Number 18. Mini Dovetail Marker Template. The Mini Dovetail Marker Template is helpful when laying out dovetail joints for drawers and boxes. Marking dovetails by hand requires careful angle control, and small errors can affect the final fit. This template provides a guide for marking consistent angles and spacing. It helps you draw accurate lines quickly, reducing guesswork during layout. With reliable markings, it improves the quality of joints and supports cleaner, more precise woodworking results. Number 19. Brass Wheel Marking Gauge. The brass wheel marking gauge is used for scoring parallel lines along wood surfaces with precision. Accurate layout lines are essential for joinery and consistent measurements. This tool features a sharp wheel that glides along the edge of the material, creating clean and visible marks. The adjustable head allows you to set the distance according to your needs. With stable tracking and clear markings, it enhances layout accuracy and helps maintain uniform spacing in your projects. Number 20. Small Parts Magnetic Tray. The Small Parts Magnetic Tray is useful when working with screws, nails, and other small components that are easy to misplace. Losing small parts can slow down your workflow and create frustration. This tray uses a magnetic surface to hold metal items securely in place. It can be used in workshops, garages, or job sites to keep everything organized. With a simple yet effective design, it helps prevent loss and keeps essential parts within easy reach during projects. Number 21. Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler. The multi-angle measuring ruler is designed for measuring and transferring angles accurately across different surfaces. Complex angles can be difficult to replicate without proper tools. This ruler features adjustable arms that lock into place at various angles, allowing you to trace and transfer measurements easily. It is especially useful for tiling, woodworking, and layout tasks. With flexible positioning and clear readings, it helps improve accuracy when working with non-standard angles. Number 22. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The Pocket Hole Jig Kit is widely used for creating strong and hidden joints in woodworking projects. Drilling pocket holes manually can lead to inconsistent angles and weak connections. This kit provides guided drilling that ensures proper alignment for screws. It includes clamps and guides that hold the material securely during use. With controlled drilling and repeatable results, it simplifies assembly and helps create durable joints for furniture and cabinetry. Number 23. Corner Clamp Set, 4 pieces. The corner clamp set, 4 pieces, is useful when assembling multiple right-angle joints at the same time. Holding corners manually during assembly can be difficult and may lead to uneven results. These clamps hold pieces securely at consistent angles while you fasten or glue them together. With multiple clamps included, you can work on several joints simultaneously. This improves efficiency and ensures accurate alignment across all corners in your project. Set it. Number 24. Japanese Pull Saw. The Japanese pull saw is designed for making precise cuts with minimal effort. Unlike traditional push saws, this tool cuts on the pull stroke, allowing for better control and cleaner results. Its thin blade produces fine cuts with less material waste. It is ideal for detailed woodworking, joinery, and trimming tasks. With sharp teeth and smooth operation, it helps achieve accurate cuts while reducing the force needed during use. Number 25. Bench Dog Clamp Set. The Bench Dog Clamp Set is useful for securing workpieces to a workbench during cutting, drilling, or assembly. Movement during work can affect precision and safety. These clamps fit into bench holes and hold materials firmly in place. They provide stability while allowing you to work with both hands freely. With strong holding power and easy setup, they help maintain control and improve accuracy during various woodworking tasks. Number 26. Wood Glue Dispenser Bottle. The The wood glue dispenser bottle helps control the application of glue during woodworking projects. Applying too much or too little glue can affect joint strength and cleanliness. This bottle allows for precise dispensing, reducing mess and waste. Its design makes it easy to apply glue along edges, joints, or surfaces with accuracy. With controlled flow and convenient handling, it supports cleaner assembly and more efficient bonding in your projects. Number 27. Small Parts Magnetic Tray. The Small Parts Magnetic Tray is once again useful for keeping tiny hardware organized while working on detailed tasks. Small screws, washers, and nails can easily get lost during projects. This tray holds metallic items securely using a magnetic base, preventing them from rolling away. It is compact and easy to place near your workspace. With better organization, it helps maintain efficiency and ensures important components remain within reach. Number 28. Small Carpenter's Mallet. The Small Carpenter's Mallet is designed for controlled striking when assembling joints or adjusting chisels. Using a metal hammer can damage delicate tools or surfaces. This mallet provides a softer striking surface that delivers force without causing damage. It is commonly used for woodworking tasks that require precision and gentle impact. With a balanced design and comfortable grip, it allows for accurate tapping while protecting both tools and materials. Number 29. Precision Ruler with Scribing Holes. The precision ruler with scribing holes is useful for marking consistent measurements and layouts on wood surfaces. Inaccurate marking can lead to misaligned cuts and poor fitting pieces. This ruler includes evenly spaced holes that allow you to mark or scribe lines with precision. It helps maintain uniform spacing for repetitive tasks. With clear markings and structured design, it improves layout accuracy and supports detailed woodworking measurements. Number 30. Hand Rasp File Set. The Hand Rasp File set is designed for shaping and smoothing wood surfaces where finer tools are not suitable. Rough edges or uneven surfaces require controlled material removal. These rasps help remove material quickly while allowing you to refine shapes gradually. They come in different shapes to handle various contours and edges. With steady hand use, they provide control and flexibility for shaping curves, edges, and custom forms in woodworking projects. Number 31. Track Saw Guide Rail Connector. The Track Saw Guide Rail Connector is used to join multiple guide rails for longer cutting applications. Short rails can limit the length of straight cuts when working with large panels. This connector links rails together, creating a continuous straight guide for your track saw. It ensures alignment between sections, so cuts remain accurate across the full length. With secure connection and improved stability, it helps achieve clean, straight cuts on larger workpieces with consistent precision. That's a wrap on the 31 coolest woodworking tools under $50 on Amazon. If you found any tools you like, hit like, subscribe for more budget woodworking gear guides, and check the description for all product links. Tell us your favorite tool in the comments and what you want to see next. Happy woodworking, and see you in the next video.